Hello and welcome to Glittershinenails. I recently created two manis for a Born Pretty swatch review video, and I asked if you'd like to see how I created them. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I work with foil using gel polish. You can find some links to the products that I've used in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. So here's Flexi, and she has the rose gold foil mani I made, which I just love. And I'm going to show you three different ways of using foil with gel polish. I'm using nail tips and they're really easy. The products that I'm going to be using are a base coat, a pale pink gel polish, which is so pretty. I did use 3 coats on Flexi, a no wipe top coat, and this is the rose gold hollow foil, and it is just amazing. There is definitely a link in the description box for this. I've also got a foil glue as well. So with these tips I always buff the shine off of them. I find that this just helps the gel polish application. I'm going to apply a layer of the base coat, and I'm going to make sure that I cap all of the free edges, as well as making sure my layers are thin and even and as smooth as I can possibly make them. I'll then cure in my UV LED lamp for 30 seconds. I personally prefer to use a base coat with tips. Again, it just helps the gel polish application. Once that's cured, I'm going to apply 2 layers of the Born Pretty pale pink gel polish. Now with Flexi, as I said, I used 3 layers, but as this is a tutorial, I'm just going to go in with 2 layers as the tips are white. Again, making sure the layers are thin and even, and also capping the free edges. When I cure, I'll cure this for 60 seconds in my Sun 5 48 watt UV LED lamp. The rose gold foil would work with a few other colours as well, like a dark pink, a red and even a white. Once that first layer is cured, I'll go in with my second layer, just basically repeating what I've already done. The colour definitely looks better with 3 layers, as it is quite a pale pink. I am on the lookout for a different pale pink. Now I won't be top coating these after I cure. I'll start the foil application, I'll top coat them all at the end. Now they're cured, this first one I'm going to be doing how I did in the mani, and these two I'm going to be using one with foil glue and the other one with a base coat. So I'm going to remove the inhibition layer and a wax strip and isopropyl alcohol from them two that I'm using differently. So the middle one I'm going to apply a nice layer of the foil glue, and I'm going to leave that to dry. Normally takes about 4 or 5 minutes. I use the foil edge glue and it's the best that I've found so far. And for the right one, I'm going to apply a nice layer of the base coat, and I'm going to cure that in my lamp for 30 seconds. Now I do have a video on using foils with normal nail polishes. I'll try to leave a link for that as well in the description box. So with the foil, I've cut it into some smaller pieces. Now you can prep the back of the foil with some isopropyl alcohol and a wax strip. I've seen this done. Personally, I've never had to do it, but it is an option if you can't get your foils to work. So I'm going to start with the gel polish nail tip first. That one still has its tacky layer from the gel polish on. And I'm just going to press the foil onto the nail tip and then remove really quickly. Now you can do a whole nail where you just sort of place it all over the nail and rub it in over the entire nail, and eventually the backing will come away. I personally prefer this look though. It's very simple to do, and If you want to add some more, then you just add some. But that hollow is just amazing. It is so beautiful. So I'm going to give the foil glue just a little bit longer to dry, and I'm going to move on to the base coat nail, and I'm just going to repeat the same process. And as you can see, it's working exactly the same way. Very, very easy. Now the reason I'm doing these two other ones is not all gel polishes have a good tacky layer which foil sticks to. So by adding either a base coat or a foil glue, it works really, really well. You could even go in with a tacky top coat. No wipes do not work. The foil glue is the stickiest out of the three I found, but it's just whichever way you want to create these. But they're absolutely stunning, and as you've seen, so very easy to achieve. When I created the mani, I was blown away with the hollow. It will really make some show-stopping manis. So now I'm going to apply a layer of top coat, making sure I cap the free edge. Now, if I was doing this on real nails, I would make sure that I used 2 coats, just so you know that the foil is completely covered. Also, if I was using a no wipe top coat, like I actually am, I would cure the first layer for 30 seconds, then the second layer for 60 seconds. It just gives that second layer something to stick to. And then I'm going to cure these in my lamp for the 60 seconds. And then here they are all finished and looking amazing. Such an easy mani, but so effective. I just love the rose gold hollow. If you would like to see more videos like this, then let me know in the comments below if there's anything you would like me to do. Thank you for viewing my rose gold holographic mani tutorial. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, thanks for watching and bye.